If you want to experience the charm of Singapore beyond the usual itinerary, here are 5 gems you should not miss when visiting this amazing city-state. Welcome to LexGo. My name is Lex and I'm passionate about traveling. That's why I want to make traveling more convenient for everyone. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And here are 5 hidden gems you should not miss when visiting Singapore. A genuine visit to Singapore is never complete without a taste of the traditional kaya toast. And one of the best versions of this comes from Tong A Eating House, one of the oldest coffee shops in the country, which opened in 1939. Its combination of kaya toast served with soft-boiled eggs and coffee is a delicious treat of Singapore history. To truly appreciate the modernity of Singapore, one must take a look at its humble beginnings. And the best way to do that is through the Chinatown Heritage Center, where homes of Chinese immigrants are faithfully recreated to give you an authentic slice of Singapore life in the past. Number 3 is my favorite potato chips of all, the Golden Duck Salted Egg Potato Crisp. They have several stores all over Singapore, and you can find them even in the airports. I admit, it's not so hidden after all. Number 4 is a place that will make you appreciate the history and culture of Singapore and its neighbors. The Asian Civilizations Museum tells a story of a diverse region over centuries of trade, culture, and faith. Number 5 is a former convent and a school, transformed into an urban oasis for the city professionals. Chimes is a charming place of restaurants and bars, enveloped in heritage, in the middle of a futuristic city. I wish you all the best in your trip planning to Singapore. Don't forget to subscribe to LexGo.